Welcome to this video. In this video, I've got a really good one for you because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT-4 and AI to get far better results by doing this one thing. This is most people that are using ChatGPT-4 aren't using it to its full capabilities, and it's this one flip, this one little thing that you can do that will make the results far better, rather than just putting in prompts where you're getting the same sort of answers. And if you're feeling a little bit underwhelmed with AI, then this will definitely help and it will give you far better results. So I'm excited to show you. Before I get into it, do check out the link below. After this video, it will give you a 4-week coaching course. So what I'm going to do is show you in this video how you can do this as an affiliate marketer, specifically for an affiliate marketer that was building affiliate sites. If you're interested in learning how to build affiliate sites that make money, do check out the coaching below. The reason being, it's a 4-week program. It's ridiculously underpriced because I'm about to put the price up this weekend. So if you want to get in and you want to get 4 sessions, about an hour and a half a session, that guide you through step by step picking a niche, the content, the SEO. In fact, we've covered SEO this week. There's one more session to go, but the cool thing is you get a recording of every session, full support. Do check it out. The link's below. It will take you through to a page like this that you can see on your screen. I'm not sure if you can see it actually, but the link's below in the description anyway. The Get Results with Chris coaching, and you'll be able to get in. Okay, so let's have a look at this. What's this one thing that I'm talking about? Here's a one take, and I'll stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you what to do, but I'll also show you why it works so well. Okay. So the normal thing that people do with ChatGPT-4, let's say that you want to pick a niche, an Amazon niche, or for an affiliate site. Normally, what will happen is people will type in, pick me a niche for an affiliate site that pays well. And that will work well, okay? That's worth doing. That will give you some results, especially with ChatGPT-4 being as good as it is. But it won't give you the best results and it won't actually help you with your needs. What you want to do, and this is the key thing, is speak to ChatGPT as a person. Furthermore, you want to pre-frame ChatGPT and describe your exact situation. A lot of people know how to pre-frame AI, and that's when you can say, write this article in the tone of Anthony Robbins, okay, or write this article in the tone of Brian Tracy or something like that, and it will do it. But that pre-framing, what a lot of people miss is not describing their, like sitting here, you watching this video, your exact situation. And if you do that, I know it sounds a little bit weird, but I'll give you an example of this on the screen. You see here, instead of just saying you are an affiliate marketing expert to ChatGPT-4, that's pre-framing it. I've described as an example the situation that I might be in as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so look at this. You are an affiliate marketing expert. Your expertise is helping people get results quickly with affiliate sites. So now I've pre-framed it and set the parameters. And then I'm saying you help with picking a niche that will get ranked quickly, give long tail key phrases and also topics that are content gaps in the niche. And here's how you describe where you're at and describe yourself to ChatGPT-4. As a struggling affiliate marketer, give me a niche that will be great for me to get results in 3 to 4 months. And of course, you can change that. You don't have to call yourself a struggling affiliate marketer. You can expand on it. You could say, as a struggling affiliate marketer that's tried this before and doesn't believe that this will work, give me a niche to prove that it will work. Okay? So you can describe your exact feelings and where you're at. And the reason you want to do this sounds a little weird, but you'll get far better results. Because look at this. So that's the pre-frame I gave it, and that's the situation I gave it. And it says here, as an affiliate marketing expert, I understand the importance of finding a niche that is profitable, has low competition, and can generate results quickly. Based on current trends and market research, I suggest focusing on the eco-friendly home products niche. The niche is growing rapidly as more people become conscious of the environmental footprint. Okay. Long tail phrases, so it's given best eco-friendly kitchen products, but it's also given content gap topics. Now, this is really, really important because when you're building a site, those content gaps will have searches, they will be easier to rank for. This would be a fantastic site, both as an Amazon site, but also as an Azoic site as well, or AdSense sites, because it's a huge topic. It's more of an authority site. But you can see here it's giving me content gap topics, the impact of eco-friendly, comparing popular, and then by targeting these key phrases and content gaps, you can quickly establish yourself as an authority. And then I messed this one up, so I'll just scroll down. I said, give me an example of this, but I forgot to paste in. What I want to do is, then you can ask is, give me an example of comparing popular eco-friendly home product brands. And the example it gave was comparing popular eco-friendly home product brands, a comprehensive guide, introduction, brand comparison, seventh generation, ET, bamboo, and so on. So I went and checked out seventh generation. Now I can't show the keyword tool because they put a lock on me sharing the screen and showing the keywords, but I'll just tell you this. Okay, so I just went and did a check and it sort of messed the video up a little bit because it locks it off. But I went and did a check on that seventh generation. There's 17,300 searches for those seventh generation products, and there's 9,000 searches for baby detergent that's seventh generation. So you can see that these products, the products alone, are getting a huge amount of searches. So really, really powerful stuff. You're going to get a huge amount of searches, and it will give you a great niche to get cracking with. Main thing I want you to take away from this video is not just pre-framing, but describing your exact situation. The more data you can put in here as a struggling affiliate marketer, give me a niche, that would be great. As another example, you could expand on that. As a struggling affiliate marketer that has tried this and doesn't believe that affiliate sites work, give me 3 niches to select from and key phrases that I can try to get the quickest results, and explain exactly why this will work. And you can even go further. I won't take too much longer, guys, but check this. You can even go further and you can type in things like give me a 4-week plan for the above, get started with the site. What are my first steps? So the more data you can give, and the more, like, instead of just typing in prompts, the more your exact situation, the better results that you will get. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go and give that a go. Main thing, if you didn't get anything from this video, main thing to remember is type in your exact situation, and even compare it to just typing in give me a niche, compared to give me a niche, this is my situation. Ask for how much you want it to pay, ask for how soon you want results, and get the ChatGPT-4 working for you. It works best with ChatGPT-4. Go and test that out, and if you want to join us on the coaching, it's down below. I'd love to have you. I think you get a great benefit from it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. It really, really helps. I really appreciate you. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, guys.